Hey guys, Jake here from Sauna. Today we're going to talk to you about how the N2014E and Narvi integrated control units work. The difference between the two models is purely that the electronics within an integrated controller are in the base of the heater, whereas the N2014E allows the electronics to be separated from the heater and mounted externally. The functionality of the controllers themselves is identical. So, without any delay, let's check them out. So here we have the interface of the Narvi N2014E or integrated control unit. When you come to turn on the control unit, you need to press the 1/0 or power button in the top left corner. When you do this, it will cycle between the remaining runtime and the current temperature at the thermostat above the heater. Should you wish to change any of the settings, hit the return key in the top right corner. The first menu you'll be given is the delay timer. This allows you to set up to 24 hours of delay time so that the heater will come on at some point in the future. If you want the heater to come on immediately, leave it at 000. Hit the return key when you've selected your desired delay time. The next menu is the runtime. Generally speaking, we would say leave this at 3 hours, which will give you an hour or so for the heater to get up to temperature, an hour of usage time, and an hour for the space to dry off. However, it can be set from 15 minutes all the way up to 4 hours as required. Once the runtime finishes, the heater will turn itself off, so you don't have to worry about forgetting to switch off the heater. Finally, hit the return key one last time to see the desired temperature at the thermostat above the heater. This can be set between 60 and 115 degrees, though we recommend between 80 and 90 degrees so that you can add plenty of water to the heater and have an enjoyable steamy hot session. Finally, hit the return key one last time to set all of those settings and return to the menu that cycles between the current temperature at the thermostat and the remaining runtime. When you come to finish the session, should you want to turn it off at any time, simply press the 1/0 power button in the top left corner and this will turn off the heater. If you want to learn any more information on how to get the most out of your sauna, check out some of our other videos. Otherwise, I've been Jake, we are Sauna, thanks for watching.